Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fun one. I placed a huge Target online pickup order. I grabbed some of these in store and we're just gonna do a good old-fashioned haul today. As I was placing this order, I was thinking about, of course, the holiday season, so I have a couple glitzy pieces today, but also things that can take us right into spring, those wardrobe essentials. So if part of your New Year's resolution is to have more ease and build your wardrobe, be more stylish, I think these are some great pieces that will help you achieve that. But also, don't get it twisted. I do have some fun, bold pieces in today's video, like this Apres ski sweater. I loved the black and white. It is definitely giving Aspen, Jackson Hole, Vale, and it's a super soft sweater too, by the way. So I went with the black and white, but there's also a red and cream version that's still in stock, and this looks so high-end. And you would see designer sweaters that look like this for about 10 times the price. This one does have a crew neckline. I'm imagining it's gonna have more of a relaxed fit, and I did pick it up in a size medium. And what I thought would look really fun with the black and white is this red puffer. And now I know I said I was gonna talk about wardrobe essentials, and we are gonna get into that after this really fun pop of color. This is a great puffer jacket. It has kind of more of that down puffy feel. It's very lightweight. Oh my gosh, I love this color red. It's so pretty. It does come in about 6 or so other color options though, including an animal print that I'm very interested in. Now, I did size up 1 to a medium in this since Wild Fable is a juniors brand. I'm very happy with the fit. It's oversized though, so I probably could have done a small as well. So I know some of the items in today's video are on sale. I would be sure to check out the description box to see what deals they're currently running. All right, and these next 2 pieces I actually got to go together, but I think standalone in your wardrobe, they are excellent. So I picked up this gorgeous sweater because of the color. The color is so good. If you guys have not heard, the Pantone color of the year is a Mocha Moose, which I love the name. And it's kind of the brown color. Actually, it's really similar to the brown color of my chair, but the whole color palette, I would say, of these browns to chai latte colors are going to be really popular this year. So I think this is a really beautiful neutral. If you are in your color era, which I totally am as well, it comes in some really fun colors as well. So the sweater does have a crew neck and it's going to be shorter, not that it's cropped, but it's going to more skim the waistline and it is going to have a more traditional fit. And because this isn't a super chunky sweater, I think it's going to be perfect to layer up. And to make a monochromatic look, I got it to go with these really fun pants. So these are from Universal Thread. They're a corduroy, and this is also really pretty tan color. And they have a nice wide leg. They're also 98% cotton with 2% span, so they do have some stretch to them. So Target is calling this an ankle pant. It does have a 29-inch inseam. I'm 5'2", so I'm thinking this is probably gonna be a sneaker pant for me, or I could totally throw this on with a pair of heels. If you're taller than me though, and it does hit you at the ankle, I would think about wearing this with an ankle boot. I think a bootie would look really fun with this. And Target is also considering this a sailor pant because it doesn't have a pocket in the front, so I did want to point that out. You do have regular pockets in the back. And actually what I thought might look good over that sweater for a more casual look is this puffy vest. This also feels great. I don't know what Wild Fable is putting in their puffers, but it has that down feel. It's very soft. I also grabbed this in a medium and it is an off-white, and the puffer does have a little bit of a sheen. And what I really liked about it was these more exaggerated shoulders. It does look a little bit trendier, and some puffer vests go in at the waist and give them more of a feminine look. This one definitely is that boxier look, which we're also seeing a lot of. And it has the same snap pockets as the jacket. It's also available in black, and I think it would look really nice over a sweater casually, but I also think it looked great over athletic wear like what I have on. So this is brand new from Target. It's from the All in Motion brand, which if you're familiar with that line at Target, they always have the dreamiest materials. And this little zip up that I have on feels super similar to the Spanx Air Essentials line. It comes in, I think, 4 or so colors, including this cream color, which that would look excellent together as well. Now, I was worried that it was gonna be too cropped, so I picked this up in a size large. To do it again, I would get this in a medium, but it does have an elastic at the bottom that does give it more of a bomber look. And I have it on with this sparkly, it's kind of a workout cami, kind of a sports bra. It's so cute. I love the sparkles on it. It's also available in a couple of other colors, but I feel like we've taken workout wear and we've made it a little glitzy. We've made it new year, new me. So this I am wearing in a size large. I would go off of your bra size whenever ordering. And then I'm wearing them with these cargo joggers. I love the material on these. They're thin and light. They're comfortable to be in. I got them in the black, but they come in about a gazillion colors, and I would get them just in your typical size. And I know an all black outfit is not that revolutionary, but I feel so put together. I want outfits like this to be my casual everyday uniform where you can just throw on and go and not have to think about it. But also the hint of sparkle on my sports bra does make me feel, I don't know, a little more festive, a little more razzle dazzle. And speaking of sparkle, Target did such a great job with their sparkly accessories. So you've probably seen these sparkly kitten heels all over your Instagram. They do look very similar to the Gucci heels. I wanted those Gucci kitten heels so bad, so I had to pick these up at a fraction of the price. So I went with the black, and they're kind of a black mesh. They have these little embellished rhinestone details, and the trim on it is kind of a black suede. I like that even though this is a pointed toe heel, it's a kitten heel, so this is going to be pretty comfortable in the realm of heels. Also, because they're black, I really think this is a year-round wear. I have another look for less in the cream from Sam Edelman, and I've worn them constantly last year to dressier occasions. So this is something that can be in your closet for a really long time, and I picked it up just in my typical size. And then when I saw this little cutie, oh my gosh, I love this. So it has this beaded pearl detail, it's black and white, and then the black velvet bow. This is gonna be great for a winter wedding, winter night out, any special occasion. Also, I feel like it's giving winter Vegas. If anyone is going to Vegas, you need this handbag. And it does have one open compartment that your phone can easily fit into. It doesn't have a closure, but the weight of the beads close up the bag. I love this. It's available in a couple of other color options as well. And I think every wardrobe needs a little stripe, so I picked up the Stripe Cardigan. It also is a thin stripe, which just looks a little bit more classic than the trendy or thick stripe that we sometimes see. And this is a crew neck, thin, really just classic fitting cardigan. What I like about it too is with a crew neck, you really have so many different ways you can wear this. You can unbutton the whole thing, wear it with a tank top or a cami, something like that underneath. You could button it all up, wear it as a blouse, or you could wear it the trendy way where you leave some buttons open at the top, leave some buttons open at the bottom. It is actually quite a versatile piece. It's available in about 10 or so colors, really soft. I would get this just in your typical size. And then I also picked up a similar V-neck cardigan. Cardigans do so much in your wardrobe, whether you want to put them on with blue jeans or they're easy workwear to just throw on and go. So this one is different because it has a V neckline, but it's still nice and thin, so it's going to be appropriate for a lot of different climates. It has matching buttons, and it's going to have a very similar traditional fit. Right now, you can pick this up in 4 neutrals. All right, and 2 pair of pants that I already pulled out of the order and have been wearing because they're so good. The first one is this wide leg jean from Wild Fable. They are a high rise, medium wash jean. And the jeans do have a 31.5-inch inseam. So if you're taller, they're gonna be great for you. For me, I'm gonna definitely wear these with a pair of high heels. Now online, the photo looked like the jeans were gonna be more of a light wash. They're definitely more of a medium wash. They still have that rubbed out, lived in look to them. They're a great pair of jeans. I've been styling them constantly. And then I also have been wearing these blue velvet pants. I really like these in lieu of jeans. They're dressier, but they're still in the same color family in this pretty navy color. Actually, I saw on Anthropologie's website, they had a similar looking pair of pants that was $100. Meanwhile, these are $28 at Target. And I thought they kind of looked familiar with the no pockets here in the front and the inseam on them. So we did look it up, and it's actually, I'm pretty sure, the same pant as the brown corduroy that we showed at the beginning of the video, which I have been loving these. So now I'm extra excited about the brown pair. All right, and then next, something to lounge in that we loved so much. I picked up one, and my mom also got one. It is this sweater lounge set. It's from the brand Auden, and the top is this V-neck sweater. I mean, how pretty is this cream color? It does have a seam down the front, and I did pick it up in a size medium. I think it's definitely giving Aerie, although everything from Aerie is oversized. So if you want to fully get that look, I would probably size up 2 in anything that you grab. It also does have a slight high-low on the sweater. And even though it's sweatery, it's still really light. So it's perfect to be cuddled up on the couch, but it's not so hot that you don't want to have your hot cocoa. The matching pants also are that sweater material in a wide leg. It does have elastic in the waist and a drawstring. I was also interested to see if it had pockets, which it doesn't have front pockets, but it does have one little back pocket detail. It's pretty cute. And it does have a seam all the way down the side. There is something about a seam running the length of your leg that is so wildly flattering. So I think this is going to be really cute on as well. And my mom picked it up in the gray, which this is a great charcoal gray. It looks very expensive, which is reminding me that the cream on the website looks like a winter white. It is not. Think an oatmeal creamier color, even though it does have lighter pieces. It definitely has more depth to the color. It is darker than what you're seeing on the website, but I think it's a really nice cream. Sizes are available in this from extra small to 4X. And I picked these shoes up because they did remind me a lot of the Birkenstock clogs. Even if that's not your favorite look, you really need something like this in your winter wardrobe that's not an athletic slide, that's obviously not a flip-flop, that looks weather appropriate, but that is a casual shoe, not a sneaker that you can just kind of throw on and go. It will really make putting your casual outfits together a lot easier. I see 2 very distinct options this time of year, the Birkenstock clogs or the Uggs. So I'm really excited to style with these. They do have that faux suede upper, silver hardware, and I did pick these up in a size 9. They are $30, while I think the Birkenstocks are around $200. I'm gonna throw them on real quick and make sure they do fit true to size. Okay, they're actually quite cute on the foot, I think. So yes, this fits perfect. I just got my typical size 9 and they're available in whole and half sizes. You can also pick these up in black. So I mentioned in one of my recent videos that I have not seen enough icy blue this winter season. So I had to pick this one up at Target. It's a great color blue. This is also their cashmere-like fabric. Really excited to see so many budget retailers doing their version of a soft cashmere sort of feeling sweater, and this sweater does feel fantastic. It does have a cable knit print, and this is going to be another more traditional fitting sweater that's going to skim your waistline. It's available in about 4 or so colors, and I think this is actually a pretty versatile color. You can wear it right now with your navies and your denims for a little winter wonderland, but then you could also throw it on with white jeans as we go into spring, and it would look quite fresh and ready for the season. Speaking of white too, I picked up this fantastic sweater. I think it's Wild Fable. Actually, it's off-white, but it is this delicious feeling little V-neck cardigan from Wild Fable. This one does have a little more weight to it. It's a little thicker than the previous cardigans that I showed, and it does have kind of a chunkier cable knit design. I like the exposed stitching on it. I just think it's a really cozy cardigan. It does have a V neckline, matching white buttons, and it is a little bit more oversized, a little bit more relaxed also than the previous cardigans. You can pick it up in black as well, and I know I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. And then I also picked up this long sleeve tee because I thought it would be a great basic to layer up either with the cardigans or to wear on its own. I am expecting this to have a fitted look. It's a ribbed material. It feels very high quality. I think Target really nails it on these types of basics. It reminds me a lot of the high neck Target tank that I've bought for at least the last 5 years. Think the winter's version with this long sleeve. It has a nice boat neck on it, and it is available in several other colors. And now that I'm looking at this, I think it would look excellent with that creamy puffer vest I showed earlier and the brown corduroy pants. This is going to be a very expensive looking outfit, and the base was only $15. And then I did pick up these black jeans, which I have high hopes for. I love a good pair of black jeans because you can kind of wear them in lieu of a trouser. They do look a little dressier. And first impressions, these are really thin. I wasn't expecting them to be so lightweight. I don't know, when you think of a dark jean, you just think that they're gonna be really heavy. They have a great feel to them. They are a super wide leg jean, is actually their name, and they mean it. Also, these do have a 32-inch inseam. So these are actually the longest pair of pants that I'm showing today. So this would be a great option for my taller girls. I'm just gonna wear these with a high heel, and they're also available in a light wash. And before I get into my last item, let's go ahead and make today's secret emoji. Since we are about to be in 2025, you guys, I cannot believe it. This year just blew by. So go ahead and leave me your most used emoji of 2024. I think that would be fun. We could all see what everyone's most used emoji was. And also I'll know that you stuck it out with me till the end of the video. I think my most used emoji was probably the little tongue guy, and I know for sure my mom's was the eye roll emoji. And how I'm gonna be entering 2025 is with sweatpants. Actually, I would love to know if you guys are watching this before New Year's Eve. Are you guys a staying in person? Are you a going out person? Are you a gym person? Weigh in below. But these are from the All in Motion brand. I'm telling you guys, they have just the dreamiest fabrics. I recently picked up the Skims sweat, and this has a very similar feel. So this is a full zip up. I did pick it up in the gray. It also has kind of the detailing of the Lululemon little full zip ups. It has a hoodie. I also like the white draw cord here. It kind of gives it more of that vintage gym look, and it does have side pockets. I'm expecting it to skim my waistline, and it is lightly fleece lined. I did also pick it up in the black. The black does have a black zipper and black draw cord, so that's a difference from the gray. And then in the gray, I did pick up the matching sweatpants, so it does have elastic in the waist, draw cord, pockets, and it is a jogger on the bottom, also lightly fleece lined. I'm definitely expecting these to have more of an athletic jogger fit because I'm not really a fan of the legging jogger look, the really tight ones. I did go ahead and size one up in this, but I am expecting them to fit true to size. It's available in a couple more color options, including a red that is really good. And I know a lot of us associate red with the holidays. Also, trend alerts have been trying to make red happen for a couple of years now, but I think it really is the time for the color red between the cherry trend that we've been seeing, bows, you have Valentine's Day around the corner, so of course lots of red hearts. I think red is going to be with us for a while, so I think that's equally a good option. All right, and that does wrap up today's Target haul. If you're interested in anything that I shared, it will be below in the description box, and I'll also put it over on the pinned comment. I would love to know which item was your favorite, and also be sure to double check Target's website because they are running some fantastic after holiday sales right now. It's the perfect time to scoop up some pieces. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all in the next one.